Hi, little learners. Today, let's make a colorful paper boat. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's remember what we learned today. We made a paper boat. Look at our colorful boats. This boat is pink. This boat is red. And this boat is blue. We also learned about shapes. A triangle and a rectangle. And look, our paper boat floats on water. A boat can float because its shape helps it stay on top of the water. You did a great job, little learners. We made, learned, and had fun together. Keep learning and keep creating. See you next time. Bye-bye.